how to log in Facebook Lite app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First up, you have to open up your Lite application on your device. After that, previously if you have saved your Facebook password or information, then you'll be able to see your ID over here. Then you can simply tap on your profile and you'll be directly logged into your account. If you haven't saved, then you can simply go for log into another account option, and after that you'll be able to see the text boxes over here. So in the first text box, you need to enter your mobile number or email address associated with your Facebook ID, and similarly in the text box you have to enter your password. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget password option, and by entering the information you have to simply tap on login option, and after entering all the information you can see my Facebook account has been logged in. So by following this simple step you can log in Facebook Lite app. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.